Pag masabtan sa imong heart igsoon that I am saved by grace and I also experience the kindness of God, outpouring sa imong heart, you will speak kind words to someone else. You will build someone else. You will choose to build someone else. The tongue would want to say what you want to say. The tongue is willing to just speak unsay gusto nimo yung magawa sa imong baba out of your heart. And when we do that, we will break someone's heart. We will break relationship. We will break even ang imong destiny. Pwede siya dili madayon, dili mahitabo because of an untamed tongue. The tongue that's tamed is a tongue that would accomplish its purpose. Okay, in James chapter 3 verse 8, James is saying, no one can tame the tongue. The same tongue, ingon ang Bible, the same tongue comes out praising the Lord and then cursing someone else. The tongue is a reflection of who you are because the Bible declares that the abundance of your heart, the tongue speaks. So if you're a Christian today and you're still cursing, igsoon, basin dili jud ka tinuod, born again Christian. Because it should not be like that. Na when you curse someone or mamalikas ka, and you say that you are praising the Lord on Sundays or Fridays kung mga batanon, it should not be like that. That on Mondays and Fridays, for example, you curse someone. Whatever you say to someone, your words are seeds. If you plant encouragement, you will harvest loyalty. If you're a teacher today, and you speak kind words, encouragement words to your student, dili na niya malimtan. Ikaw nga teacher, nakalimot na ka. But kana nga student, iyan ang i-keep sa iyang heart. And one day, pag masuccessful siya, mubalik siya sa imo, and moingon siya, Ma'am, because you have spoken encouragement to me sa una, sa dihang nag-struggle pa ko. They will remember those kind words. They will remember kinsa ang ni-build up sa ilaa sa panahon nga nag-fail sila. And you as a Christian, mauna siya ang atong role. Nga sa atong mga balay una, mahimot ang kind sa members atong house. Pastor, what if akong papa is not kind to me? What if akong mama is not kind to me? What if balikason ko sa akong papa, balikason ko sa akong mama? Then you are the believer in the house. Because words are seeds. You plant good seeds to your papa and your mama. Maybe wala sila natudluan sa Bible. That's why they're like that. But natudluan man ka sa pulong sa Dios. You choose to make words like seeds sa ilaang kinabuhi. Ang dila sama siya sa makalayo. Gamay ra kay siya nga kalayo pero makasunog siya forest. Watch your tongue. I will watch my tongue. Because your tongue can either build or destroy. Your kind words is very powerful, igsoon. Because someone else's life could be very successful because you speak kind words ana sa iya.